Welcome to Maths FBI, Maths for Beginners International. In this video, we are considering ordering fractions, how to order fractions in their order of magnitude. I'm Ayodele Adebayo. Without further ado, let's dive into the lesson, okay? The question before us says, put these fractions in order, okay, starting from the smallest. All right, we want to arrange these fractions. We have three fractions right here, okay, so we are instructed to arrange them in their order of magnitude beginning from the smallest. All right, so how do we get to know which is the smallest and which is the biggest? All right, so the first thing to do is to find the LCM of the denominators before us. We've got three denominators here. We have 5, 3, and 10. All right, so let's find the LCM. That's the first thing to do. Okay, the LCM of 5, 3, and 10. Okay, that's what we got to do right now. Find the LCM of the three denominators. Okay, all right, the first one is 5. The first number is 5. The second is 3. And the third is 10. Okay, so let's use 2 as the prime number here. 2 in 5. 2 is not a factor of 5, so bring down 5. 2 is not a factor of 3. Okay, so bring down 3. So 2 in 10 is 5, okay? And we're done with that. So let's use 3 here. Okay, 3 is not a factor of 5, bring down 5. 3 in 3, you got 1. 3 is not a factor of 5, bring down 5. Okay, that's just the rule in LCM, okay? The next number to use is 5. 5 in 5 is 1. 5 in 1, bring down 1. 5 in 5, 1. Now the LCM is to multiply this by this by this, okay? So we are going to be doing 2 times 3 times 5, okay? 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30, okay? So the LCM is 30. LCM of the denominators is 30. All right, so let's come straight. Our LCM is 30. Let's note it here. Okay, so what we do now is to arrange these fractions. Okay, the first one is 3 over 5. The second one is 1 over 3. And the third one is 2 over 10. All right? So now the next thing to do, we're going to multiply this denominator by a number that must give us 30. Okay? So what number do you multiply by 5 to have 30? All right, that will be number 6. Okay, that will be 6. So if we multiply the denominator by 6, the numerator as well must be multiplied by 6. Okay, so we'll do the same to this. Okay, what do you multiply by 3 to get 30? That is 10. What do you multiply? So if we multiply this denominator by 10, the numerator up here as well was multiplied by 10. Okay, so do the same here. What do you multiply by 10 to give us 30? That's number 3. Okay, multiply our numerator as well by 3. All right, so let's get the answers. 3 times 6, we do the multiplication. 3 times 6, you got 18. 3 times 6 is 18 over 5 times 6, 30. All right? Do the same here. 1 times 10, 1 times 10 equals 10. Over 3 times 10, 30. Go to the last fraction. 2 times 3 is 6. Over 10 times 3, 30. Now, having done this, you would observe that they all have 30 as their common denominators. They all have 30 as their denominator respectively. Okay, they all have common denominator as 30. Now, having got their denominator to be 30, the numerator, the value of the numerator is where we focus in order for us to know how to order them, to know their sizes, to know their magnitude, okay? So the question says, put these fractions in order starting from the smallest. So the smallest among these three is this. This goes gives us 6. You have 6, 10, and 18. So among these three, 6 is the smallest. And the smallest, that is the first, as the fraction, the third fraction here. Okay, that is the smallest. So now ordering them, we have 2 over 10 as the smallest first. Now we are ordering. Then the second is 10 over 30, which is 1 over 3, the middle fraction. Okay, 1 over 3. All right, and the last, the biggest is 3 over 5. You can see how simple it is, to order fraction. Okay, so we're done. Please subscribe to this channel. When you do that, you will always get notified when we produce an invaluable videos like this. Please share as well for others to benefit from this knowledge. This video is appropriate for pupils from grade 4, primary 4, and other lovers or beginners in mathematics. Okay, so I've got another question for you to test your knowledge. The question says, put these fractions in order, starting from the highest. Yeah, starting from the highest. Okay, so try this, practice it to test your understanding of the subject matter. Okay, so thank you for your time. See you in the next video.